How to buy Pi Network AI agent token. So this token came under the symbol of Pi AI. So this is another token under the Pi AI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 17 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. This token, as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token, it's also trending number 11 on Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, open your phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now, click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now, here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token, as you can see. So after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pi AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.